Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Badtz-Maru from Sanrio. We're going to start off with his big eyes. Right around here we're going to draw in a straight line across. As straight as possible. And you want to go all the way to around this point. You want to stop. You want to lift up. And we're going to continue from here and go across. Once you're done with these two straight lines, we want to do the little bottom of the eyes. It's going to be a round U shape. So starting from here, we want to go down, around as possible, and back up to meet the end right here. And repeat on the same thing on the other side. We want to go down to maybe right here, continue by going down and connect. So you have two eyes, and now we need the little iris. It could be right around here. We'll touch two more U's. 1, 2, and that's looking good. And then let's do a little bit of a highlight. And then we want to just color in the irises black, like so. Now we have the big eyes done. Let's just go over to the lips. We're gonna start around right here in between the eyes, right around here, and we go down, curve, back up, down, curve, and connect like so. Super easy shape, almost like a boomerang. And this a little bit of a U right on the bottom for the bottom lip. Now you have your eyes done. Now let's move over to the face. We're gonna do two sides of the face first, and then we're gonna connect them for the jaw. We'll start around here, following the curvature of the eyes. Go down. Stop around here, same on the other side, right around here to match up with this point, and then curvature down, right around here is good. And let's connect the two sides with a slight curve, of course, to give him a nice round chin like so. Now we have the face complete. Now we just need a little bit of hair. It's just gonna be 4 little spikes. Start around here for the first one. Go up, curve down, stop around here, and let's match the same spike on the other side. Up, curve, down, stop around the same area, and we need 2 more spikes. Let's start from our point, up, down, and stop, up, down, and stop, and his hairdo is done. Now we need the little arms on either side. It's just similar to the hair, it's just gonna be a little nub. Starting around here, right below the eye, we're gonna start, go out, and go back in, and we wanna stop around here. Repeat on the other side. And stop. 2 simple lines. 1, 2 for the side of the body. And we just need the little feet. So for the feet, it's just gonna be 2 ovals. Starting from the bottom of our body. Big oval. Connect. Second one. And connect to finish it off. Now we need the bottom of the body. Curve, connect, and the final line is going to be the belly. We're going to start right around here where the leg is. Go up and connect. Once you have your drawing done, all we need to add is color real quick. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.